comes there. Let it go. Good. Clear like open a little and then go down all the way. Let your hip relax. Stay there. 16 counts. Very good. Okay, right now sit back and then we stretch front leg. Okay, flex your foot and then hold tight. Stay. 8 more counts. Flex more. Straight your knee, okay? Hold tight. Head down. Good. Right now switch. Switch leg. And hold your toes. Okay? Yes. Let it go, okay? Hold tight, gradually, tight, tight, tight. Stretch. 8 more counts. Beautiful. Relax, put it down. Right now, we go lean back. Also 16 counts. Stretch the muscle. Yes. More counts. And finish it down. Okay. Relax. We stand up. So this time, first time we do 1 minute. Second time we do 1/2 minute. Okay? Ready, girls? Stand up. So make a left side like front. Ready? Go down. All the way down. Stay. One minute, okay? Seconds already. Let it go, push. Okay, you finish in 1 minute. Okay, shake it out, shake it out. This I need more work, okay? Our side is much better. Okay, relax. Okay, stand up. Let's do another one. 1.5 minutes. Ready? Go down. Give a little try. Go down, down, down. Yes, you got it. Good. And finish. Okay. Last 10 seconds. Very good. Okay. Okay, relax, relax. Oh, your head, you cannot close the leg. Okay, relax. Okay. Okay, girls, let's stretch back for a little bit, and then we will do the sit-ups later, okay? So, come on. Okay, stay here, okay? Ready? Just push up. Okay, don't need to push hard yet. Right now, just relax. Make your lower back totally relaxed, dropped. And then feel that. Your lower back dropped, arched. Stay. 8 more counts. Good. Right now, go up more. Walk your hand. Yes. This time, head up. Feel your lower back. Let it go. Stay. Okay, 4 more counts. Stay. And up. And up. Okay? So, right now, stay for a moment. Let it relax. Don't move. Four more counts. Let it go. Relax. And up. Okay, here. Okay, ready? Let's go. Head up, arch. And go. Head down. Again. Head up. And head down. And head up. Back straight. And down. Right now, stand up. Do your arms standing on your knee. Ready? Okay, so we arch back. Hold there as much as you can. Okay, 60 counts. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relax the head. Go, sit down. Relax your head. Relax your neck. 60 counts as well. Stay. Okay, up. We do one last time. This time, head up.